This time on the infamous project.
What is going on?
Thank you, you old bitch!
Do you even know what day it is?
Oh, there's that too.
Day 3, Thursday. I think I can speak for both myself and Gary. We're gassed. Pretty sweet, guys. First time putting a motor in with the transmission straight into the drive shaft that was never disconnected.
But it was 5 to 12.
Yeah, so we said 11:30 hard stop unless we were getting there, and well, we got there. Oh, look at the clearancing. I've never seen the need for that much clearance to get a Cobra Booster in, but we don't think this car is very straight, so.
Call me for all your custom tin bashing needs.
We're trying to beat the storm that's coming in here. We'll get her.
Look at that.
You want to do test fit?
Dude.
If it goes in, then we can touch her up.
Just a little mooching is all she needs. Landon makes it look way easier on his video.
No, that's not. I don't know, dude. Like, do we need to go back to stock booster? Because, like, give me the booster here.
Dirty girl.
Getting paint all over the place.
Dirty girl.
Think you got it? Okay, is it hung up? Is the rod getting hung up on anything? Should I check from the inside? Did you get it? Like it wants to. Oh, the bottom hole isn't lined up.
Bottom, like passenger side?
Driver's side. Does that one fit?
Not any better, no.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure they're like the same.
Same shit, different pile.
We almost need to just cut a relief cut here. Jesus.
Dirty girl.
So this one's flocked. Straighten that out a little bit. Okay, can I get that up in there? There we go. Okay. Ah! Oh, those edges of the Carter Customs is sharp too.
Is it?
Ow.
Is the shifter out?
Of the floor?
Yeah, not yet.
No. No, a little more down. Okay. More, if you can. Okay. Right. Yeah, you're good. So, okay. So, okay, the drive shaft's coming out, so just make sure you keep it tilted the way you got it, right? Okay, pull forward. Oh, here comes the trans fluid. Send it. Okay, hold on. All right.
Okay, we're still speedo connected here.
What? No, I disconnected that.
One wire.
This?
Yeah,
What is that?
That's the gear. Speedo gear.
Oh, fuck, why do they even...
Okay, there
I
it goes.
fixed it. They're all like little butt connected together anyways.
All right. Okay, if we want to guard this right out. There it is, the old T5 workhorse. Wonder how the guts of this thing look.
How's the input shaft? I feel like it should feed. Not very nice.
Like the retainer does. Actually,
See that?
Uptown.
Oh, look.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Just fill it.
Yeah. Can't find a bolt. Fill it.
Little ocean blue on her. Never forget that one.
So the main question here, are we going to be able to do it?
Might need a little more ocean blue in there too.
You won't see her once it's all together, but we can. Fuck, it's ugly.
It's coming together.
Glasses and in my hand. I don't think it is.
Messed up hand and a messed up knee.
You didn't even draw blood.
No, but
That's gonna be a bruise.
hit bone.
Do you even know what day it is?
Oh, there's that too.
Day 3, Thursday, afternoon. Motor's looking good. Got valve cover switch up there. I think I can speak for both myself and Gary. We're gassed. Like last night, there was no, it was like we just hit a point. It was like, no. It was like, what, 2 a.m.?
Yeah.
I think we stopped. We were up at 7 this morning again. Went and did some touring around, looking around, foxbody stuff. But
Did win a pretty good battle last night though.
yeah, we made some pretty good progress. You can see the whole front end of the motor's back on. We got our shiny bling style balancer, solid, so no rubber to worry about. Found a set of underdrive pulleys, so we got to get some bolts for the crank pulley on there. And what we found out after pulling out the transmission is here's a normal T5 input shaft. Well, if you see, this guy's pretty skinny mini 4-cylinder transmission. And do you think that they changed the pilot bearing? No, they did not. They had that brass bushing in there, but it wasn't a bushing that would accommodate the size of that input shaft. It was probably wobbling, floating around in there. So called Andrew from Hanlon Motorsports, talked to him about it. He said the bushings are good if you're a race car, which sort of goes down the whole theme of 347 stroker, little race motor. So he said pull it out. So we get onto the backside here, pull all this stuff off. We'll go get a pilot bearing, stuff that in, get the bell housing off the 4-cylinder transmission. And you know what, who knows, maybe that transmission would be okay with the right bearing. No, it was grinding. It was grinding.
Yeah.
It was grinding.
Second and third were.
Yeah. And even fourth.
Yeah.
You hit fourth and it crunched. Yeah. Well, there is some fluid in it, because when we took it out, I saw it leaking out the back. But anyways, guys, we have a transmission. We gotta go get some parts, make a list, and be conscious of the weather. It's been a little dicey today, and we are working outdoors, or at least trying to. Finally got the booster in, and that's pretty much it. Honestly, feels like a shit show a little bit. Like, we're getting the work done, but it's hard to be like organized and film and like narrate a story. So hopefully we can do some really good editing between the two of us, because like there's a word, storyboard, something like that. Like,
We're all over the place.
yeah, we like to be organized, but we are not organized with our videoing because we are too busy just trying to get shit done for the shitbox. So it is what it is. We'll go get some parts. Hopefully we'll probably do probably gonna have to actually do a one-shot slide in, and then I wonder if we hold it with the cherry picker,
right,
and bring the K-member up after.
there is that,
right? Because then we're not trying to fight the oil pan across the, like, don't get me wrong, the tubular's got lots of room in there, but
that might be
I think make our life work smarter, not harder, guys. So I think that's what we'll go for. We'll leave the headers off.
we really don't want to scratch the aqua paint.
Yeah, no, the aqua paint's, you know, Gary almost chipped it with his knee earlier because he hurt himself.
Hurting internally.
Oh, there we go, guys. Go, go, go. You're gonna fucking fart. Doesn't work as good, does it?
Jesus.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think it's impregnated right to the goddamn crank.
Imagine doing this in the car.
Oh, fuck that. We're gonna have to make this video X-rated.
There you go. I'll just keep stuffing it. You'd be amazed how much actually ends up fucking going in there. Feel it pushing back when you hit it. She's all together, folks, after all of that pilot bearing stuff. The worst part is we didn't even get the final release on camera. And it, right? We didn't get it, I don't think, right?
Nope.
Yeah, so it was,
We were toast.
oh man, we thought that thing wasn't coming out. We thought it was fused to the crank forever. So we managed to get a proper pilot bearing. It's in, pressure plate came off, everything's back together, and we're 10 to 11?
10 to 11.
10 to 11 p.m. And we're saying that we have until 11:30 to get the transmission bolted on, and it's sitting in the car here. So what we're actually going to do is set everything in, try and swoop it in, get the drive shaft, the yoke of the drive shaft in there, and do it all in one shot, and then carry over the K-member and made it up to the bottom side. So will everything be like bolted up? No. We might not even get to the K-member. If it gets too late, well, that shit can sit right in there just like that. So here we go.
Yo. Yo.
Pretty sweet, guys. First time putting a motor in with the transmission straight into the drive shaft that was never disconnected, and we'll be hopefully carrying the K-member over separately and bolting that up from the underside. What do you need? You just want to hone the hole out?
Oh. How fun's this going to be to loop it over the crane?
That's what I'm wondering. If it's even fucking possible. Watch that break.
So far, so good.
See if you can lift your side up over the jack there.
Yo.
At the end of day, fucking day are we on? Three.
All right, guys, that'll do it. Motor is in. Cross member is in. So the tubular worked really well and stuffing everything from the underside. No complaints.
Did you give a timestamp?
Oh,
Timestamp? Well, it's 12:05 right now,
right.
but it was 5 to 12.
Yeah. So we said 11:30 hard stop unless we were getting there, and well, we got there. So
Things were going real good.
yeah. So that is it. Concludes night 3. Day 3, night 3.
Love that custom intake.
You like that?
4x4 intake.